Meaning of godlike.
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 Godlike. Godlike is an adjective used to describe someone or something as having qualities or characteristics that are similar to those attributed to a deity or god. It conveys a sense of power, superiority, and immense authority. When someone is described as godlike, they are thought to possess outstanding abilities, exceptional skills, and an air of invincibility. This word is often used in a figurative sense to describe individuals with incredible talent, strength, or intelligence. Overall, godlike refers to a level of greatness that is almost beyond human comprehension.